how to fix kernel-based DLL errors in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if you want to fix the kernel-based DLL errors, then what you need to do is right-click on the Start button and then go with the Device Manager option. Once you're on the Device Manager, you just need to simply go with the Display Adapters. And on the Display Adapters, you just need to simply choose the adapter, right-click on it, go with the Update driver, and then you need to go with Search Automatically for drivers, or you can simply go with Browse My Computer for drivers, and then let me pick from a list of available drivers and choose a driver, and it says this driver is digitally signed. You just need to simply go with Next and update your drivers. Once you've updated your drivers, your problem might be fixed. You just need to simply go back and restart your device. And if that still has fixed your problem, then you just need to simply again go with the Windows, right click on it, and then go with the Windows PowerShell as an administrator, and you'll get this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply enter a command, which is SFC. It might take some time to complete the verification process, and after that you need to enter the second command. Once the first command is done, you need to enter the second command, which is DISM space / online space / cleanup hyphen image space / restore health. And after that, again hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, it will also take some time, and after that restart your computer to apply the changes. And that's it. That's how you can fix the kernel-based DLL errors in your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.